Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. I'm gonna throw out another video quick fix on the Q system. If you guys have this issue, now if you guys don't know, obviously you guys know because you guys are watching this video, you guys are having issues with the Q system in your Cadillac, obviously. So you guys know what the deal is with the Q system. Apparently it's a manufacturer defect. I think they actually put out a bulletin for it, saying that it was a manufacturer defect. I think I did a video a while ago on a fix for this, and if you guys looked on the internet, there's a lot of different ways to do a reset on it. Actually, there's only about two that I know of. one of which involves pushing the seat up, all that weird stuff. All right, so if you guys have like a frozen screen, or you guys have issues with not being able to touch anything on the screen, some parts of it not working, you can't initialize the GPS, or the whole system just shuts down on you altogether out of nowhere, and you guys can't restart it, you guys can't do the whole reset procedure. You guys look up, I'm sure you guys seen what the reset procedure is. You do a couple of things, leave the door open, and then wham wham wham, magic happens and it starts working again. I don't know why they don't have this button that actually you just push and it just resets the system. Could be that easy. In fact, it could be that easy. Computers have it. I think some earlier models have it, but in these systems you gotta do like 3-4 different steps, and they're strange steps, because what is the door being open for like a couple minutes or whatever it is. I haven't actually looked up the I haven't actually looked up the reset procedure in a long while, but I did post another video up where somebody suggested, and it worked for them, that you actually take out the 2 fuses for the entertainment system and the radio, the head unit and the radio. There's 2 fuses involved in the fuse box itself, where you could just take it out for a minute and then pop it back in. It'll reset it. Fine. All right. If you guys don't know, now you guys know. You guys could do that. Simple enough. You guys want a simpler reset, a simpler hard reset on the system, I'm gonna give it to you, because that's what you're here for. You guys want me to tell you what is the simplest thing you can do to reset it. A lot of you guys do not have that little door compartment where you have to open it up for like a minute or two. I've read a couple comments, and a lot of you guys do not have that door in some of these vehicles, and I'm going to tell you what you guys can do. Okay, now in my other video I did say, change out the battery. A lot of times, particularly if you get like the whole entire system shutting down on you and you can't restart it, everything's dead, no lights, even the ones on the steering wheel, the buttons, they're dead, the screen is dead, everything is dead, you can't get it started, you can't go into it, you can't even go into it to redo the starting system, to redo the hard reset procedure. Wait till you guys hear this. Okay, first thing, check out your battery. Make sure that your battery is good. If your battery is not good, or if your battery is like 3 to 4 years old, probably help you guys. You should help your situation out and change out that battery, because batteries are only good for around 4 years. 3, sometimes 4, and then they go downhill. Now, a lot of the Q system issues have to do with the battery, because I think these vehicles have this stop start system where you guys come to a complete stop, it runs off the battery. Now, if the battery doesn't have enough juice to actually run the accessories, obviously that's all going to cut out on you. So if you guys need to replace the battery, replace the battery. That's one. Two, the fuses. All right, there's one fuse for the radio, there's another fuse for the entertainment system. Pop both of those out, and then for a minute, and then pop them back in, and then try to restart it. Hopefully that works. However, there's an easier way with this situation that you guys do not even have to go to the fuse box. That is, if you guys take the cables off the battery. If you guys take the negative cable off the battery for a minute or two, and then put the cable back on, and then restart your vehicle, chances are everything's going to restart. The entertainment system, the LCD screen, the Q system, it's going to restart. That has helped somebody else. I've heard that has actually fixed a situation for somebody who commented that has fixed their situation. All these things could fix your situation, or you could just try to do the hard reset. You can't do the hard reset procedure. Do one of those 3 things that I just mentioned, and it'll probably reset your Q system and get it to work again. All right. Now, if you guys have your own other personal experiences with this where you guys fixed it another way, which I doubt that you guys will have, because I think I actually went through all the ways you guys can actually reset the system. Besides changing the besides changing the whole LCD head unit out, which some people have done, swapped it out, which some people have done, but you don't want to go to that step because it gets kind of expensive. And you're gonna have to buy a head unit. You're gonna have to swap it out. Time consuming if you do it on your own. Expensive, you pay somebody to do it. And it doesn't mean, if you guys replaced it, it doesn't mean that that whole situation won't come back. It probably will, because there is a bulletin from GM on this issue with the Q system. It's a manufacturer defect. And let me just stop talking. If you guys have any questions, definitely drop a question in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. Hope this has helped you guys out. You guys get your Q system fixed. All right, guys, take care.